Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how we can easily view all devices connected to the network on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to the bottom next to the start, and in a search you want to write control panel. Then under network and internet you're going to see hardware and sound. And when you're going to see the hardware and sound here, you're going to see the devices and printers and click on it. And here you will be able to see all the things connected to your computer. From, I got like, these are all like Bluetooth earphones. And yeah, if this video was helpful guys, you can write down below in the comments that it helped you. For other people when they'll come, they'll be like, damn, I can watch this too. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.